Washington is working to undo decades of wrongful convictions for drug possession. Last year, the state Supreme Court narrowly determined that the state's drug possession law didn't require people to know that they had drugs in their possession. Naomi Smith says the fallout from the law fell harder on certain communities.
The populations that were greatest impacted by this were populations that were going to have more police contacts. So the indigent, and then I would absolutely say, at least based off of the audits that have been done in Pierce County, that people of color, particularly Black people and Native Americans, are contacted more.
Last year's reversal has far-reaching implications. Since the law, which originally went into effect in 1971, didn't have that requirement, that means anyone convicted under the law in the last 50 years could be eligible to have that conviction vacated or eliminated altogether. Any fines associated with the law that were paid could also be refunded. Smith says this will also increase the chances that those found with drugs will get the help they need.
If they are found to have substances on them, they're more likely to be brought to a therapeutic process or get access to treatment. So that's one thing. Definitely less likely to be incarcerated.
It remains to be seen just how many people across the state were affected by this law. But Smith says the relief that comes from a cleared record is being felt.
Stability is a huge part of staying out of the cycle of addiction, having a stable place to live, having a stable job. Vacating these convictions are giving people clean records that make it easier to get jobs and housing, and then getting that money back, absolutely helps with stability.
Now, if you've been convicted of possession of an unlawful substance or you know someone who has, then you can head to Pierce County's website, even if you aren't living in Pierce County. And when you go to the site, you'll find a page that's dedicated specifically to those who have been impacted. And if you submit your case information, you could have it reviewed. But for now, we're live in Tacoma. Lionel Donovan, King 5 News.